Alright, today is Saturday, July 1st. Finally got outside to clean my condensing coil on my 5-ton unit. To tell you the truth, I forgot the brand. Arco Air, I think. Typical bent coil design. Yeah, Arco Air. Mine's a tube and fin. It is not a spiny fin like a train. This one came when the house was built. This device I have on the side is called an ADD-A-cool. I have a patent on that, by the way. It's a subcooling surface to subcool refrigerant away from the condensing coil. It enhances efficiency, something fierce. But you will not see me using any kind of chemical on the coil. You don't want to do that. It'll clean the coil, make it bright, shiny, but it also dissolves the aluminum. And it's thin to begin with, all of them are. There's no such thing as a heavy fin coil other than what I built, and I sold my company. So anyway, let me get you set up, and I'll show you how easy it is. Watch my methodology. You want to divide it into grids, spray from the top down, step over, top down, step over, top down. Keep your spray nozzle perpendicular to the face of the coil. Don't ever spray at an angle, you'll fold over the fins. See right there, I'm missing a screw. I need to find one, put on there. This will save you anywhere from $150 to $250, and it's not difficult. You want a relatively low pressure washer. I think that one's 1200 psi. Stand off about 6 inches from the face of the coil so you don't blow the fins off. But let me get set up, and I'll show you just how easy it is. Nothing to be afraid of. I was in the heat transfer game for over 50 years, so I kind of know what I'm doing. Anyway, let me get you set up, see what kind of view you got. Yeah, that'll work. Hold on.